Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'll show you how to make a roof slope design. Alright, let's get into it. First thing first, we set our current wall height. So come to tools, setting. Okay, so currently is 2800. So let's say example I make it to 4000. Okay, so that's our height of the roof lah. Alright, next come to ceiling mode. Press ceiling. Okay, you can select here the ceiling or you can just double click it. Okay, after that, we're going to draw a roof. So as you can see here, my here got a small design here, right? But I don't want to affect, I only want to affect this side, right? So from here, I just draw a rectangle from here to here. Okay, so this is my wall, my roof. Okay, so 2800. So this one must just set 1200 of the top. Sorry, this is 2800. Yep. So my ceiling came down already. Okay. So my off the top is 1200, bottom is 2800. So from here come up is 2800. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, it will just fit nice my cabinets. Alright. Okay, next we're going to base on this side 12,000 and 5,000, right, to draw the roof. Okay, so I use here for rectangle. Okay, so key number maybe 300. Okay, then I press my tab button. So this is 12,000, so 12,000. Enter. Okay, I get the roof size ready. Alright, so at the top here and the bottom here, we must give a little bit of gap. If not, later we cannot do our side. So in order to gap, we just minus 2. So minus 2. So we can't minus 2 like that, right? Okay, so never mind. So minus 2 is 11998. So enter. So as you can see, 1 and 1. So we leave a 1, 1 gap lah. If you don't want, you can give it more also. You want also can, like 116, 22 also can, no problem. Alright. Next, this up the top. So this is 1200. So up the top, maybe I give it 300. Okay, you have something like this. Okay, so once done already, right click my mouse, you can see this one, center align. See, it's not center. This both is not in the center. So right click, okay, select, right click, center align. Okay, so in the middle. Okay, now this part, select this one. Okay, select it, you can see this one, Q button. Okay, you press Q, you can see the direction. Okay, so let's say I want to go this distance to this distance, how many? So maybe I go for 2200. Okay, so this is inside, so we must set outside, outer. So only you can come here like that. Okay, so maybe I want to fit in this cabinet. Okay, so 2000. Okay, maybe just nice. So maybe I just go for 1950. So I leave a little bit space like that. Okay, then same goes for this one. Select also, press steel, outer. So 1950, enter. So more or less like this. Okay, unless you want to set the angle, so maybe 150 press 150. See, it will fit all the size suitable. So never mind. So just set back normal 1550. So that is for the size, the angle, and that is for the slope. Right. So you have slightly like this. Right. Next, we're going to draw the roof, the board like that. All right. The wood. Okay. So you can come here, the selection, material library here. As you can see, the integration, right? Okay. So before that, press this one, left, this one, vertical face paste. Okay. Once you're inside here, come to integration, this one. Okay. So as I want to make a beam here, okay. So I just grab one beam, put it like that. Okay. Then let's say I said this size is 300. Okay. Then this time maybe I go, this size also doesn't matter. So I can just center align and then I make this one to 0. So it balance to the middle, right? Then I can just, next I'm going to create a paving, continuous, okay? To make a paving continuous, like that, I put 1000, okay? enter. So as you can see, it will be like that lah. Okay, but before that, I'm going to change Control Z first, undo. Okay, so I'm going to change this one to 100. Okay, so this is around 100 lah. Alright, if you go deeper, you can go deeper. Okay, okay. Then only we start paving continuous. Okay, 1000. Okay, enter. Right, then you can see like that. The next, I'm going to make the board down. Okay, so for the board, I maybe use this one. Drag and drop like this. Okay, so just now our size is 1000, so put back 1000. Okay, this one fit is ours 300, right? So let's change this to 300. Okay, to fit this size to this one. Okay, next this one maybe go for 300. Okay, then I just drag here to 0. So it will do something like this. Okay, then this one maybe I give it the size of maybe go 50. Okay, so it looks something like that. Okay, okay, so now, so in order for to do like that already, right? Next I'm going to do is right click, paving, continuous. Okay, I'm going to drag like that. Okay, so each is 300, so 300. Okay, right click, we do one more time, right click, paving, continuous, 300. Okay, that it will fit everything. Okay, as you can see, as everything is fit. Alright, next, I'm going to continuous, go down all the way. So paving, continuous, we go down all the way. But our number we maybe put around 5 or 2. So there's a gap for it. So let's say I put 5. Okay, then I press enter. Okay, then you can see that when I press Ctrl 1, okay, you can see a bit of hole like that lah. Okay, so I put 5, right? Alright, so Ctrl 2. Okay, then I do for same for the rest. Okay, so I show again, continuous, see up here. Okay, put 5, enter. Okay, then do for the rest. Okay, so once complete, okay, you have something like this. Alright, the next one to go for the top here, the beam, the top part. So I can press return. Okay, this I'm going to do for the top part. Okay, go back to ceiling. Okay, for the top one, same thing. I'm going to put integration. I'm going to put wood. So let's say wood, you can just put it like that. Okay, so it will fit in. Okay, so this one maybe I can go for 200 thicker. Okay, then this one can go longer. So 1000. Okay, then right click, centered align. Okay, then now select this one. You can change the texture here. So we change the texture. So what type of texture you want to change? You can change texture mapping. So see what type of texture you want. So maybe come to honeycomb. So this is all the color. So maybe I go for trying this one. Soft white also can. Okay. So it will resize back, correct or not? So never mind. We will do it one more time. So 12,000. Oops. 12,000. Then 200. Okay. So you can see the size color change already. Alright. Once you complete, okay, you do for this one. After that, we will test render. Okay. Okay. So once you complete the button, okay, you continue do the same part. Okay, and render, it will look something like this. Okay. So this is your full render lah. Alright. Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. Bye.